Well, hello everyone. My name is Derek,
And I'm Solanda.
and welcome back to our channel. We be trippin'. So today is day number 9, but it is the first day of the transatlantic cruise. So, what do we do today?
Um, what did we do? We had to do our paperwork, our passports for the back to back. So
Right.
we got up. We had to be there at 9 o'clock.
Right.
So we had to take care of that in order to go on to the second half or the second part of our cruise.
Right. So after the back to back, did all of that because normally, I'm saying normally. Well, normally, if we did a back to back, we would, we've always left the boat, left the ship to go to Walmart and like re-up on whatever we need. But we did not do that today. Okay. So we stayed in the auditorium, did the paperwork, took our pictures, received our new cards, and then we went to breakfast.
We went to lunch on Lido
Oh,
because, well, after we did that, Derek went cut his hair.
yeah, yeah. Okay, so yeah, did the
Back to back.
after we did the back to back paperwork and stuff, I had to go cut my hair, and then
We had lunch on Lido.
we went to lunch. I don't even remember what I had for lunch. I really don't. I don't remember what I had. What's the little steak? The sirloin. I had sirloin steak. It was pretty good. And after that, we went up to exercise. We went to play pickleball, but someone had. I don't know what happened to the bowls. I don't want to speculate and say somebody stole them or whatever, but the pickleballs were not in the pickleball slot. So,
So we played basketball and then we walked.
so we played basketball, walked around, then sat downstairs for some time. And what happened after that?
I did homework.
Okay, well, I was editing a video. And so the thing is about this leg of the cruise, this second cruise is there are a lot of sea days. So there are a total of 8 sea days. So I think our first port day is in about a week.
Over week.
Over a week, yeah. I'm pretty sure, yeah. So you just have to be able to pace yourself, relax, and just relax and enjoy it because there's nothing else that you could do. We got a late start. I think we were supposed to leave around 3:30, but we didn't leave till after. I think it was probably about 7 o'clock when we left today.
You think
So,
so?
yeah.
It's 9:21. We just left not so long ago.
Oh,
Maybe.
Maybe it was 7 something when we were eating.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We left about maybe 30 and 40 minutes ago, and it's 9:21.
Okay. Yeah. Well, so for dinner, I had lobster, and for the appetizer, I had. Wow, this is crazy that I don't remember what I had, and I just
He
had
had
it.
cheesecake, Irish cheesecake.
No, I had the chicken pot sticker. That was
For dessert?
No, I'm talking about my appetizer.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I had the chicken pot sticker, right? It's chicken pot sticker. And then I had lobster, and for dessert, I had cheesecake, some type of cheesecake. That was pretty good. Because my thing is, again, Carnival's dessert is not the best part of Carnival. It's never sweet enough for me. So, And what did you have?
Pasta.
Pasta.
Salmon pasta.
Salmon pasta. Was that good?
It was.
Because it looked like it was good. So you had salmon pasta, and what did you have for dessert? You had
The pear.
the pear stuff that I had the other day. So that was good, and I think we're about ready to call it a night. Maybe we'll go to the club and see You know, you ready to call it a night? Or
I have to finish homework.
oh,
Let's talk about the guests that came on board. I
okay.
think it's a different group than last cruise. They're real friendly.
Yeah, real friendly. I think we've met like 3 couples today. I think and it's different. It's a different crowd when you do these journey cruises because they're normally older and retired
And seasoned.
well seasoned.
A couple asked us tonight, do y'all cruise
Do
a
y'all
lot?
cruise alike? And,
I was like,
and
yeah.
it was like, yeah. I'm like, well, about 40 cruises. And listen, without batting her eyes, the man said, yeah, we've taken like 90. I mean, just, it was so smooth and I was sitting there like, see, that's why I said, because I said, when they asked, do we cruise a lot? I said, well, I mean, yeah, I said, well, not really, because I know that, maybe in our circle, it seems like we cruise a lot. But we know by cruising, there are people that cruise a lot.
For real.
And this was one of those couples,
But
so,
I think the thing about this is a lot of people that I hear that cruise a lot, they've been cruising since like the 80s. And
Yeah.
a lot of them are just making like diamond. We've been
Yeah.
cruising for 10 years. And
Has
we've
it been 10 years?
April made 10 years.
Okay, so,
And we've been diamond a couple of years now, so we cruise more often than a lot of people.
yeah. So, but yeah, the crowd is different. The people are a lot friendlier. We was having some conversations because as they say, you don't talk about religion and politics, and we were talking about politics, and it was kind of hilarious.
It's a different crowd.
Yeah, definitely a different crowd. So, and you met someone today, right?
Yeah, I met a lady. Her husband, military, retired military.
Yeah,
But everybody is real nice.
yeah. So,
Well, I met a man in when we was doing the paperwork for back to back. An older gentleman. He needed help with a hotel and a rental car.
the old man. Okay.
Yeah.
You saying I met a man like that? That usually means that you no longer on the market.
Oh.
No, that's what it is. When a woman say I met a man, that means that like this is going somewhere. No, for real.
Anyway,
What do you mean?
I have so many people in my inbox asking me to be
Oh, girl, I thought you
a
said you
travel
had so many
agent.
men. I thought we were still on the
So,
same thing.
please stop.
Man, like you gotta slow down, babe. You gotta segue into stuff like that.
Please stop.
Anyway, so what you got? What?
So many inboxes. People want me to join a team to be a travel agent, and I refuse because I'm not ready yet. But I helped the guy today, and I'm like, I guess I need to go ahead on and take care of my business and do what I gotta do.
I tell Salonda all the time. I say, listen, you should become a travel agent because you're detailed with the planning, with the booking, with the research. Whenever we take a trip, I don't research anything. I'll say, sometime I'll be like, okay, I want to go to such and such a place, and that's it.
But to be honest, I don't enjoy it. That's why I never stepped into it. I don't enjoy it.
Okay.
I
Well, that
like
would make
doing it,
sense. For us.
yeah, for my household.
Okay.
But I don't enjoy all the research and finding.
But you're good at it.
But
Because
I
one thing,
don't
if you're
enjoy it.
doing it anyway. Okay,
And the first
well,
thing a person to tell me, you could be cruising and making money or discount cruises, I'm willing to bet that my discounts that I get now is way better than what you get being a travel agent.
Well, I would like to ask a question for any travel agents that are out there. Would you mind telling us what is the commission per trip? Or
Yeah, send
what?
me a private message.
Because we would want to know. Yeah, you could do it privately. So we would. We'd like to know. Is it worth it? So.
Because I'm telling you, the travel agents is like a game. They stalking me. They in my inbox, like sending me a million messages a day. Like, hello, can you send me your phone? Strangers, can you send me your phone number?
Was that old man a travel agent?
No,
that you know?
it's lady. Oh, the old man today?
Yeah.
No, you know.
Trying to act like he was stranded. You know what I'm saying?
And that's another thing. The guy who asked about the hotel, he's the older gentleman.
That's about a hotel.
Yeah, the guy in with the
What are we
back to
talking
back. The guy today that I helped with a
Why y'all
hotel in
talking
the
about
rental.
hotels?
Derek, you were sitting right there. You moved, and so I can sit close to the man. Well, anyway, he's an older man. I think he's probably old enough
You
to
like
be my
older men.
grandfather.
You like older men.
He's by himself on this long cruise. It's a lot of them. It was like 45 of us that's doing a back-to-back from the last cruise, and a lot of them are older. And a lot of them are traveling by themselves.
Right.
And I couldn't imagine my grandparents, my grandmother, my grandfather, you know, going to Spain by themselves. He don't even have a hotel.
So if something would have happened to me, you would stop traveling?
Elantra loved to travel.
Oh, okay.
Shawan loved to travel. Travis loved to travel. I mean, we still a travel.
So what you done thought about this?
No, but I mean, I'm not going to stop. I hope you don't stop.
No, I'm just asking. I mean,
No, don't stop.
Don't stop what?
Traveling.
Oh, yeah.
Do
Anyway.
your thing. See the world.
See the world?
Yeah.
Anyway. Yeah, I guess. So, is that it? What else we doing tonight?
I'm going to bed.
Day? Yeah, it's been a long day.
Yeah. And I want to get up for the presentation starts tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
So I want to get up and, you know, go to the gym and catch the seminar.
Okay. Okay. So I guess that's it, right?
I guess.
So wait. Are you expecting anything different from this cruise?
I've never been to Spain. I don't know. I'm excited. I saw YouTube videos on Spain, and I think it increased my anticipation. Like,
Yeah.
I just want to see. It looked like something out of a book.
So Spain did that. Okay, well, I was gonna ask about Africa, but that's different. That's not
Oh.
this cruise. Okay, but Spain did that for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Why though?
I don't know. It just looked different.
Okay.
It just the scenery. It
Yeah.
just looked different.
Yeah, I wanna. I'm anxious to see Rome. You know. So, but yeah. So, anyway, is that it?
And I heard there's a lot of old men in Spain. Come on, let's wrap it up. I'm just playing. Come on. Like the lady said downstairs. Come on, Derek. Until next time.
Do the show with your new name.
Why you shut up? Come on. Until next time.
Change it to he be tripping. I don't care. No.
Come on, Derek.
No, because you no. It's not a joke. It's not a joke.
Keep tripping.
What if I was to like say jokes like that, crack jokes like that?
Babe, I don't care. I don't care.
Anyway, so until next time,
Keep tripping.
keep tripping.